We are at my favorite restaurant in Dresden. It is called Alte Meister, which means Old Masters, because this is an extension of the Old Masters picture gallery, which used to be an artist workshop. You can still see some of the old decorations here in the room. And from here you have a beautiful view of the Semper Opera House.
Bitte schön, zum Wohl.
Vielen Dank. I always like to start with Kai's Aperol. This is different from a normal Aperol because it has peach juice in it. It's really delicious. Cheers! Let's see what the chef has prepared for us today. It's always fresh and seasonal cuisine. Vielen Dank. This, for example, is butternut pumpkin soup with quail breast. Doesn't that look wonderful? Let's dig in. Oh, the main course is coming. Wow!
Enjoy.
That looks wonderful. This is a veal in voltini filled with chorizo. This is ratatouille, and all of this sits on a bed of a vegetable made basically from wheat.
Here we are with the dessert. Enjoy it.
Vielen Dank. Wow. Okay, this is poached peach, almond ice cream, and this is like a foamy soup of Riesling. And of course some fruits and some cream. Wow, this was the perfect end for the day.